Hello. In this video, I'm going to talk about the big mistake on the data summary behind the Challenger disaster. So in 1986, NASA had the worst disaster in its history. The Space Shuttle Challenger exploded shortly after launch. So what caused the problem? So the problem is the failure of O-rings. Okay, so this red one are the O-rings. It's used to seal the fuel tank. But the launch time, the temperature was very, very low. It's 31 degrees F. So that causing this rubber O-ring stiff. So it didn't seal well and causing the explosion. So we will ask the question, so we know the cause of the O-ring, and was O-ring performance tested before? Certainly. So engineers did collect the data to show the O-rings, how many times it has the problem or it failed, how many times it's success. But why the NASA team didn't realize that O-ring could fail under the low temperature? So we look at what the data being presented to the NASA team one day before the launch. So this is the plot presented to them. So x-axis is the temperature. Y-axis shows number of incidents happened, the number of incidents of O-rings. So from this chart, can you see any patterns? So probably not. Okay? And also this chart only shows the incidents when O-ring failed. So the NASA team didn't see the whole picture. So that's why they didn't make the right decision. The whole picture looked like this. If we include both O-ring failed and succeed data onto this plot, you will see here the incident number is 0. That's all successful flights or launches or tests. So all above temperature 65. So you can find the pattern. So if temperature below 65, see, so 4 of them, 4 out of 4 had the failure. But if above 65, total 20 launches or 20 flights, only 3 had failure, like 15% versus 100%. So from this one, can you conclude is there any effect of temperature on the O-ring failure? So certainly you can see temperature had effect on the O-ring failure based on the whole data set. So this teaches us a lesson. We really need to be careful on what data we are going to include to present in a plot.